here we have the CA-22 Bravo. I just like doing that NATO military alphabet stuff. It sounds cool. But no, it's just called the CA-22B. It's got most of the features. It's got this place, literally every inch of it stocked with supplies. Then we have the pool table, and then there's this part. The doors, of course, which are actually reachable. You don't have to get there via seat. And then there's the pilot, the cockpit. So this is how you get it turned on. Of course, turn on the engines, which is on the roof and what most people usually don't see. Let's turn off the brakes. No. Okay, there we go. Brakes are off. Altitude hold at 300. And we are in the air. This one's actually quite adjustable. Like, if you bring it really far up, it can get, like, super, super high. But as you can see, this is destructible, like all of them. Yeah, this plane looks really cute, but how cute does it look when it's falling from the sky in shambles? Now, I might just get some supplies. That might be helpful. Flashlight could be good when it's the middle of the night, which it is the late evening, so I guess we got it right on time. So, anyways, let's go to the self-destruct. 1. And I gotta scoot this thing back. Yes, there's plenty of supplies. Now, okay, self-destruction. 15 seconds. I'm gonna make it 10 seconds. Okay, and 10, 9, 8, 7. Ooh, these face backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're flying. So just jump out, because this isn't too safe, I would say. Oh, that's a flame? I haven't seen that before. Thank goodness I used a parachute. If I were to have relied on the plane, it would have certainly killed me on impact. What's that? That's suspicious. Oh. No, just... Wait a minute. I don't remember the arcade games from the plane. Are these the arcade games? What is this? What is this? Is this the... That's the roof. Yep, I think that's the roof. So I guess that's the end of the video on the CA-22B, the tinier, cuter, and more FPS friendly, that is if you're on multiplayer version, of one of the best planes in Stormworks. See you later.